Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty and wellness, giving you honest, expert insights. Today, we're exploring something a bit different, a product designed not just for beauty, but for relaxation and therapeutic benefits. It's the SereneLife Home Portable Massage Table. And whether you're a professional therapist or someone who enjoys a DIY spa day at home, this table promises comfort and convenience. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. The SereneLife Massage Table is all about flexibility. With its ergonomic design, it features a removable face cradle, adjustable backrest and headrest, which can be locked into place with a quick-fix locking device. The table also comes equipped with swing hand pallets and armrests, providing multiple options to enhance your relaxation during a massage, facial, or other treatments. It's ideal for both professionals and personal use, supporting up to 495 pounds. When I set up the SereneLife table, the first thing that struck me was how simple and intuitive it was to assemble. The legs fold out easily, and the adjustable components, like the headrest and armrests, were just as straightforward. One thing I appreciated right away was how easy it was to adjust the height and angle, which made customizing the position so much easier than I expected. The PU leather upholstery feels durable, and the cushion offers enough softness for comfort, but not so much that it feels like you're sinking into it. As for real-world use, I had my husband test the table since it's primarily aimed at professional massage therapists, tattoo artists, or those looking for a versatile solution for spa treatments. He's often on the go, so the portability of this table was a huge plus for him. It folded into a convenient carrying case with clasps, making it easy to transport. He mentioned that the adjustable headrest made a noticeable difference in terms of comfort. No more neck strain, which is crucial during long sessions. He also loved how sturdy the table felt despite its lightweight design. The pros of this table are easy to see. First, its durability. Constructed with beechwood legs and a solid composite board frame, it feels sturdy and high quality. The portability is another strong point. Folding into a compact, easy-to-carry case makes it perfect for mobile therapists or anyone who needs to store it away when not in use. The adjustable features, like the height and headrest, make it versatile for all kinds of users, whether you're offering a massage or performing a beauty treatment. That said, no product is perfect. One downside is that the cushion could be a little thicker for those seeking extra plush comfort. While it's certainly comfortable, longer sessions may leave you wanting a bit more cushioning, especially for clients who prefer a softer surface. Also, while it's portable, the table is still on the heavier side compared to some other folding tables, so it may not be as convenient for those who need to carry it for long distances or frequently. So, does it offer good value for money? The price point is competitive for the features it offers, particularly when compared to other professional massage tables. The quality construction, adjustable features, and portability are definitely worth the investment, especially for mobile therapists. However, if you're someone who's only using the table occasionally, you might find more affordable options with similar functionality, though they may lack some of the high-end features like the adjustable headrest and heavy-duty frame. In terms of build quality, I have no complaints. The materials used are solid, and it feels built to last. The PU leather covering is durable, and I can see this table standing up to repeated use without showing much wear. As for longevity, the frame and construction materials seem like they'll hold up over time, even with regular assembly and disassembly. One thing worth noting is the customer support from SereneLife. While I didn't need to contact them directly, their reputation for responsive service and offering a warranty on their products is reassuring. It's clear that they stand behind their products, which is always a good sign when investing in higher-priced items. If you're looking for alternatives, you might consider the Salon Portable Massage Table. It's another folding model with similar features and a comparable price point. The Salon table is also known for its ease of setup and sturdy design, but it lacks the adjustable headrest and swing armrests of the SereneLife table. However, if you don't need those additional features, it could be a more budget-friendly option. To wrap things up, the SereneLife Home Portable Massage Table is a solid choice for anyone in need of a professional, adjustable, and portable massage table. The ease of setup, comfort, and portability are major selling points, and it's definitely built to last. However, if you're someone who prefers an ultra-soft surface or needs something lighter for frequent transport, it might not be your perfect fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.